When did I switch to EV? Today.
For me, driving an electric vehicle was really a dream come true.
Main reason for switching was that I felt that's the future.
I love how quiet the car is.
Bonjour.
Hello.
Buenas noches.
I did not know I will ever drive one. And it happened the possibility for drivers all over to rent a car.
Every day I see the gas prices.
It's a hectic situation.
I notice a lot more EVs on the road.
Zero emissions is good for everybody.
We all have to care about the environment. Sometimes they said, whatever you do is not going to make a difference. Yes, I think it makes a difference. At least little by little.
It's like, I feel like I'm doing my part and then setting an example for everybody. Really, electric is the way to go.